This video will have the flip through and my short review on the Undated Ink Bucket planner. I got this planner from Wagon while there was a buy one get one offer going on. I got these and some sticker books during that time. I will review and compare all my sticker books in an upcoming video. So please consider subscribing to my channel if they are of your interest. Now coming to this planner, first let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this magnetic box which can be reused for storage. I am planning to keep my sticker books or washi tapes in them. It's very sturdy and reusable. The planner is of the size 20 cm by 25 cm and it has this thin gold spiral binding which looks really elegant, and the hardcover is very sturdy and very good looking. The first spread contains drawings or doodles in which you can color in, and it has a box which says the planner belongs to, where you can write your name and contact details. The second spread has this nice design and has a quote. People who have goals succeed because they know where they are going. It's that simple. The next spread is interesting. The left page is where you write highlights of the previous year. It says, before you start the new year, it's a good idea to reflect on the year gone by. Write down what has been most memorable and some of the major highlights of last year. The page on the right says, it's the start of a new year, a fresh beginning that promises big things for those with a passion for change. This planner is a great tool to set intentions and anticipate your accomplishments. Use this page to write your plans for the year ahead. Here you can write your intentions, goals and plans. Once you fill this page at the beginning of the year, you can come back and read them every day as part of your daily planner routine. Next page is your vision board, and we have a page with title Thoughts Become Things, where you can write your affirmations. The next spread has a title, Let's Set Goals and Make Plans. On the left they have given categories for the goals, and you can write your goals under each categories. And on the right side we have a space to write the plan to achieve the goals. Here you have space to write your top priorities, habits to adopt, habits to cut, new skills to learn, do more of, do less of. The next spread is also for goals. There are 12 boxes for 12 months of the year where you can write down your monthly goals for each month. Next spread is a year at a glance, which can be used to track anything you want. I have already started using this spread and have used red highlighter on this page, and the page bleeds very badly. They claim that the pages have a thickness of 100 GSM, but I highly doubt that claim. So if you intend to use highlighters or colors on your planner, this planner is not for you. Then we have a page with title Birthdays and Stuff, in which you note down the important dates to remember. Then we have 3 whole pages of planner stickers, and these are the highlights of the planner for most of us. Then we have a blank page with the title Notes. After this, the monthly spreads start. Each month has a different theme or design going on, although the pages and spreads are similar. The first spread of a month is a calendar with a section on the right side for notes. And the next spread is for trackers, and we have space to write your intentions and agendas, new things to write, to do, top 3 priorities, your habit tracker, then space to write I am looking forward to these things, then expenses, notes, doodles, important dates. Although the space for the expense is way too less to track the monthly expenses. Then the weekly spread starts. On top of the spread it's written the week of, where you write the dates or week number. Then we have space for 7 days, Monday to Sunday. The top half for a day is dot grid and the other half is blank. Then on the bottom right corner we have space with title, This week I am grateful for, and my plans for next week. Every month has 5 such spreads for weekly planning, and after these weekly spreads they have given space for monthly review. On the left we have notes, which I think is very useful, and on the right side we have the month in review. It has space to write my biggest achievements, the biggest challenge and how I faced it, new goals and fresh passion pursued this month and my progress, what worked and what did not work, things that made my soul happy. That's the last of monthly spreads, and the next month starts with another fresh theme. I will flip through and show the theme of all the 12 months. Once the monthly spreads are done, we don't have any more pages, and the last cover page spread is just like the first spread with doodles where you can color in. And you have a pocket where you can keep loose paper, and we have a bookmark. And now I will give you my thoughts about this planner. First thing is that it is spiral bound, and you can see that I am struggling to close this book. Everyone has a preference, and I slightly prefer hardbound to spiral bound. But this is something which I can live with. Now coming to the annual spreads, they are minimal and functional. They are not overwhelming like other planners in the market. They have spreads where you can systematically plan and track your goals. And there are spreads where you can write your intentions, which are thought provoking. And there are sticker sheets which are really lovely, and the stickers they have provided are in sync with the theme of the planner. The monthly spreads are minimal but adequate, and the best part about this is that there is a page for monthly reflection after each month. The spreads are not overwhelming, and hence it is a good choice for beginners as well. Also, as this is an undated planner, the spreads don't go for waste if you are inconsistent and skip a few months. The one negative I have to say about this planner is the page quality. You cannot use heavy ink or highlighters or colors on this planner, as they bleed too much that it will ruin the backside of the page, and you wouldn't feel like using the other side. And also they could have added a few extra pages at the beginning after the yearly spread or at the end of the planner, just in case if you want to add any specific spread of your choice. With that, I am winding up this video. Do check out the other videos in this channel and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.